Gold has seen a good drop, and as I asked you to remain short early in the day today, it has achieved 1922. I hope you all profited. Likewise, crude oil too has traded mostly bearish, achieved 79.6 and bounced back. So now what to expect today with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like is a motivation to me. Please do not forget to press the bell icon, which will also keep you updated with the daily analysis. The next update on gold will be released before, in fact for crude oil also will be released with the Asia session tomorrow, so do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now in the morning analysis we saw that 1940 is giving it a resistance, and remember this was my long term resistance level. I had told you very clearly long time back that 1940 1950 is going to give it a very good resistance. It is precisely trying to trade within this. At the same time, now look, with the drop on the downside, if you connect the drop from here, you will find till 1920 it has got very good support. So if you see gold trading below 1920, you can sell further, then expect that we are looking forward to a further sharper drop, because see, it is going to break past the trend line which it has created so far. As you can see this drop, this drop, this drop, this drop, and this. And if you connect the dots, see, this time the highs shied away from achieving the highs of this channel, indicated that there could be little bearishness, and that is why we are looking forward to a drop. Now look at the hourly charts more close. Now see, it is getting very strong support. 3 candles getting the support at the same levels. Possibly once it trades beyond this zone, that is 1935, you can expect little more bullishness. Or else you just, those who want to buy can buy here at 1928, but then expect 1932-35 levels as a very good resistance, and only if it trades beyond 1935 you can expect little more bullishness. So that is very clear. Yes, you can try to initiate a buy entry at 1928 level, but you have to remain cautious and alert till the time it trades below 1940. I will not consider this as bullish. You should remember this fact. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic has seen a little drop, trading at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish. See, the candle sizes have peaked. Probably it may converge from here. But again, this is a probability and an expectation from my side. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, so now see this on the 2-hour charts, double bottom is done. Also look at the previous candle. This was the breakout candle, and if you connect the dots here, see, 1928 30 till 34 35, it has got very good resistance, and only if you see gold trading above 1935 levels, you can expect little more bullishness, which might take it till towards 1940 levels. Else there is always a probability of a reversal and a drop, and hence you should trade with caution. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is also looking down here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. The interesting fact to see is that it has precisely achieved the bottom, and this is the long-term channel. Also, if you look at these two candles, double bottom is seen, and probably it can try to retrace a little. If you can look at, see, 1928-30 levels. If you are buying at 28, you should be very alert. That is clear here. And only sell entry is below 1920. This is also clear here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is divergent and bearish here, looking down. RSI trading flat and with a slightly bearish bias. If you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, probably we can expect a little retracement on the upside till 30, 32, 35 levels, possibly. But sell entry is only below 1920, that is very clear. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD trading divergent and bearish, RSI trading with a slightly bearish bias here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, just connect the lows of these candles, you will find that this is still trying to trade in this, and this is trying to create a flag, and this is a bullish flag. It has to break out either which ways in order to give it a momentum. Right now 1920 is the level below which you can expect that it is going to slide heavily on the downside. We may see 1910 1900 levels. Till the time it trades above 1920, possibility of it to swing in between 1920 and 1940 is high. Direction movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is trading at highs here, looking downwards with this red candle. The MACD is crossing over. Very important, the MACD is crossing over here, and this crossover is happening at a peak point, which means that from here a little downward move in gold can be expected, if not today, possibly tomorrow. The RSI is overbought. Considering this, sell at 1920, buy at 1928. However, 1930, 32, 35, very strong resistances till 35 levels. It can reverse any point of time. Beyond 1935, could be a little more bullishness, might take it till towards 1940, and if it trades beyond 1940, probably we can see 1945, 50 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, if you are selling at 1920, 1915, 1910, two stronger support levels, then 1906 and then 1901. These two levels you should mark out for. 1900 is a very good support on the downside there. Below that, as you all know, 1880 and 1870 levels should come into picture. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on first week of February, that is the 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies. Equip yourself with the learnings which can give you confidence and which can give you the art of trading profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the crude oil on the hourly charts. Beautifully higher lows are seen here, and beautifully there is a wall out there at 80.8, 81 levels. In fact, if you look closely here, you will find 80.5, 80.6 levels. Until 80.8 it has got very good resistance. So once it trades beyond 80.8, you can expect that the next destination should be at around 81.5 or 82, which is a stronger resistance. And if it trades above 82, it can fly further. So those who are looking to buy can buy at around 80.6. However, 80.8 and 81.4 are the major resistance. Beyond that, you can see it hitting 81.8 and 82 levels. So buy at 80.6, expect 80.8, 81.4 levels as the next targets. On the downside, now see, higher lows are seen, and hence once you see it trading below this zone at 79, rather I will say 80 levels itself, you can sell here and then expect 79.5, and below that further drop can be expected. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen little retracement. The MACD trading with divergence, trading bullish here, and this crossover is happening at a bottom on the hourly charts. RSI trying to trade with a little retracement. Now look at the 2-hour. On the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation. Let it consolidate a bit. Buy entry above 80.8 you can buy and then expect 81.4 possibly, and below 80 you can sell and expect 79.5, 79.3, and below that further drop can be expected. Directional movement extremely bearish here. Stochastic has seen a little drop, trying to reverse again. The MACD is trading bearish. It can possibly converge crossover. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. It is trying to form a squeeze or form a sandwich of this green candle, probably 79.6 levels, which are definitely a good support for the day. Directional movement here is bearish, and it is trading with little divergence. RSI trading near to bottom with almost at comfortable levels. The MACD is bearish, but it is looking forward to converge crossover, and the RSI is looking downwards here on the 3-hour charts too. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Most important, the 4-hour charts, you can see, look at these few candles, and this time it is trying to break out. However, look at the previous candle. This had a very sharp tail. Now a candle with a sharp tail and then a retracement indicates that any breakout beyond 80.8 should be a good entry for you to remain long in crude oil, where you can expect 81.4, 81.8 and then 82.2 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. On the downside, be cautious of 79.5, below which little more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement is bearish here on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD is bearish, but see the candle size is flattened. Probably it may converge. RSI looking down. And if you look at daily charts, now look at daily charts and look at these 3 lows, precisely very well aligned. And if you look at these two candles, so it is trying to trade in this channel. See, today there is a data coming in from the US for the oil and NG specifically, and hence it can reverse completely if it continues to trade above 82.2 is certainly going to be good resistance. So you can buy at 80.8 and stay long on the upside till towards 82 probably. Directional movement on the daily charts is bullish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is trying to converge. Here it is trading in green. RSI is also trying to trade with moderate bearishness. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 79.6, buy at 80.8. In between these $1.2 do not trade. Below 79.6, expect 79.2, 78.5 and 78. Above 80.8, you can again expect it to hit 81.4, 81.8, 82.2 and then 83 levels. Take your trades accordingly. See, 82.6, another is a good resistance. So take your trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.